community here in Providence, Rhode Island. Rodney is the heart and the soul and the hands and the feet and the strong and sturdy back of Rhode Island pride for too long to remember. He's also been a leader in the city's racial justice and reparations work. He's also a leader at the United Way, an educator at the Met School. There's nothing that he can't do, but we're here to honor him particularly for what he has done to celebrate the LGBT community in Providence, Rhode Island, and we are so proud to name him our third Grand Marshal of this year's parade. And I can assure you this is not the first sash this man has ever worn. So he is ready to go. He's got this thing locked out, knows what he's doing. He'll give us a few tips. Rodney, congratulations and thank you for everything.